BMW and safety solutions for cars. The history of the development of high safety standards started early back in time. Already after World War II, the BMW 502 offered the first safety solutions. The fuel tank located over the rear axle, hidden from danger, and a short steering column. Important measures taken to protect the passengers in the vehicle. In the 60s, BMW conducts the first crash tests. Still with old-fashioned technique, but always with the same goal: as much safety as possible for the passengers. The materials used for the car body also played a big role. Steel hardened and formed with excellence signified the first step towards a safe cabin. Years before it became obligatory, BMW already equipped its vehicles with safety belts. Their capacity was checked by specialists from the very beginning. Stress tests are also conducted in the early 60s to guarantee a vehicle's long life. The engineers provided tests which simulated driving in extreme conditions. A revolution in car safety solutions starts in 1979. BMW introduced the anti-lock braking system as series standard. The stopping distance was reduced enormously as a consequence. In 1990, the BMW Group Research and Innovation Center, or FITS, opens its doors, a unique project in Europe. BMW's engineers research for new standard security features every day. Measuring and developing processes support the active and passive safety in all new BMW vehicles. In 2003, another milestone of engineering at BMW is reached. Customers can experience the active front-wheel steering for the first time in the new BMW 5 Series. Agile and safe steering guarantees easy handling for the driver. A new step is taken with the driver assistance systems. The electromechanical brake becomes one of the most important safety features in BMW vehicles. Thus, the braking distance is reduced to a minimum. Other systems enable new possibilities to minimize potential dangers. Traffic light assistant, lane change warning, or BMW night vision. The connection of the car, the driver, and his proximity stands for another revolution. To this day, BMW guarantees the highest standards in active and passive safety, so that the driver can feel secure in every BMW he drives on streets worldwide.